And Engelbert Humperdinck, yes, he was a man. That's not his real name. He's from Britain, but that's not his name. There's very few Humperdinks in Britain. He was born Jerry Dorsey, and not Engelbert Humperdinck. His parents were not Mr. and Mrs. Humperdinck. They never said, what shall we call our son so he does not get the shit kicked out of him at school? We shall call him Engelbert. Good, that'll work. No, his name was Jerry Dorsey, and he released songs as Jerry Dorsey, songs such as which didn't work because no one could hear what he was saying. And then his managers obviously said, we're going to change your name, Jerry. It's the name that's the problem. And his name changed from Jerry Dorsey to Engelbert Humperdinck. I mean, I just wanted to be in the room when they were working that one through. Zingelbert Bembeldak. Yengebert Dangleband. Zangelbert Bingledack. Wingelbert Humptyback. Slutbunwalla. What? All right, Kringlebert Fisty Buns. Stevie Buns Buttrundens. No, Jerry Dorsey. I like Jerry Dorsey. No, we can't. What we got? Zingelbert Bembeldak, Tringlebert Wangledack, Slutbumwalla, Klingybun Fistelbars, Dindlebert Zendeldak, Jerry Dorsey, Engelbert Humptyback, Zingelbert Bengledack, Engelbert Humperdinck, Vingelbert Wingledank. No, go back one. Engelbert Humperdinck. That's it. And it worked. But he's dead now. Did you hear that? Yeah, today I was CNN. I heard it just as coming out. Very weird, because Frank Sinatra was just recently as well, wasn't it? Yeah. No, this is what I heard on the telly when I was coming out. It's not true. No, it is true. Yeah, he was in LA. Something happened. He was in LA, and that's all I caught on the tape. It was just before I came out. So, yeah. No, it is true. No, he was in a car, and in LA, driving along. Something hit him or something like that. No, he's all right. He's all right. He's fine. He's cooking, he's jumping, he's doing his thing in LA. He's absolutely fine. How do I know? I don't know. I think he's got a cold. That's what they say. No, a tan. That's it.